Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. This is a faulty 300 milliampere lithium ion battery. We cannot use this battery and this should be disposed properly. But there is a small BMS in it and that can be reused for other purposes. The specifications of this BMS are maximum 300 milliampere discharge to load, maximum charging current is also 300 milliampere, short circuit protection, over discharge protection and overcharge protection. We will dismantle this and take this BMS outside. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is a lithium-ion battery without BMS. There is no protection on it. It is written as 2500 mAh but actual capacity is less than 1200 mAh. That is why I selected this battery. We can fix the BMS in this battery. Soldering is completed. Let's check the voltage output from the BMS. You can see it is showing 4 plus volt, and now I will short circuit the output terminals and you can see the output becomes 0 and then again rise to 4 voltage, which means the short circuit protection is perfectly working fine in this BMS. We will resolder the output terminals. We are not changing the wire but resleeving and soldering it again. Now we have converted a non-controlled lithium-ion battery with a BMS protected lithium-ion battery. We can give 4.2 volt for charging through the same output terminals. The battery now has long life. Only drawback is that it can deliver only 300 milliampere to the load. If you have more milliampere BMS, then you can use that. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. Let us check how much current BMS will deliver to this 1 watt LED. Theoretically, this 1 watt LED will take 270 milliampere for its operation. If the load is drawing more than 300 mAh, then BMS will cut off the power to the output. If you like our video, please click like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.